Have you forgotten your Ubisoft password? Do you want to recover your account's password and username without the email or phone number? If your answer is yes, then no worries. Here's a complete guide on how to recover your Ubisoft account by using your iPhone or Android. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your Google Password Manager. Open any browser, search Google Password Manager. Tap on the official link. After that, search Ubisoft in the search box. If they're available, your account password, you get the Ubisoft account. Tap on it. Enter your password to verify it's you. After that, you will get your account password. If you used an iPhone to create a Ubisoft account, then follow Solution 2. Solution 2. Check your iPhone Password Manager. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Password, search Ubisoft if available there. Tap on Ubisoft, and on the password here, you can see your password. So this is the way you can recover your Ubisoft account password. If you have any kind of questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.